All right, guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at holiday week trading. All right, I'm going to show you 2 days, two separate trades. I'm going to show you how we nailed the exact low, almost 300 points, no indicators at all. And I'm really going to show you that it doesn't make a bit of difference if it's a holiday week or a regular week. All right, there are always trading opportunities to be had. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. All right, what's up, guys? It's Mark here at Dino Trading. Hope you're having a great trading month so far. Yeah, it's been one for the record books again. It seems like every time you turn around, the market is jumping to records, like it says here. Literally, if you have been trying to short this market, you've gotten your face ripped off. I mean, I don't know how anybody's been able to successfully short this market as part of a long-term strategy. I mean, I've always been a person that says trade exactly what's in front of you. Don't trade what you wish was in front of you, right? If the market's setting huge records on a daily basis and you're seeing long signals, you just gotta pinch your nose and become a buyer. Right? I mean, I know that there's a lot of traders out there that are kind of lurking in the background, trying to randomly call a top and try to sell short this market. And I can promise you, I know a couple of those guys. They've just gotten their faces ripped off literally week after week, month after month. And the news is crazy, right? You guys know this. I mean, if we take a look at some of these deals here, like what is this? Tiffany, the jewelry company, is being bought for 16 billion. Charles Schwab is buying TD Ameritrade for 26 billion. Like, people are tossing around these numbers like it's nothing. I mean, 26 billion dollars, right? So, you can't really help but to read the news and realize and make the conclusion that companies are spending money. People are spending money. It's a bullish environment, folks, right? I wish I could sit here and tell you, yeah, mark up your charts and prepare for a sell-off, but trading is not about being a crystal ball, right? Trading is, frankly speaking, it's about being able to look at signals, wait for a long signal just like this, wait for your tracements to be drawn, and then you just jump in on the direction of that trend signal. In this case, it was green, so you're a buyer, right? So when you look at articles like this, I mean, me personally, I can't believe that, this kind of money is being spent. Billions of dollars every day is being just tossed around like it's peanuts, but what are you going to do, folks? We are in a bullish market until proven otherwise, right? And I've been looking at stuff like this, right? The national debt. If you're one of those conspiracy theorists and you think that there will be a massive sell-off at some point, I mean, this is what you got to be watching, the national debt. These are the articles that I like to watch, just keeping myself informed on what's happening with like the true basic economics of a country. And this is insane. $23 trillion in debt. Okay, you don't even have enough fingers on your hands to count to 23 trillion. Right? I think it's something like 18 digits or something like that, something insane. So anyway, guys, who knows if the market's going to keep going, right? It could go to 30,000. We could see 30,000 on the Dow very soon, or the market could sell off. But what do day traders do? Right? Day traders pay attention to patterns, pay attention to charts, and I'm telling you guys, you got to have a much different mindset than these people, right? These people who are trying to offer market predictions. You're trying to make money as a trader. You don't give a shit what the predictions are. All you give a shit about is what happens between 7 o'clock in the morning and 3 p.m. in the afternoon, right? And that's all you care about. So if we get these charts going, okay, let's get our side-by-side going, all right, and take a look at this signal here. All right, so this dino bar here, the first green bar after any string of red bars, guys, that is your clue that you're looking for trades on the long side, right? No indicators, no bullshit, no chat room is going to tell you that. You have to respect the dino price action. Okay, so when we jump over to the T-bar chart, what I call the smaller time frame chart, this stripe here, all right, represents this signal bar right here. Does that make sense? All right. So from that point on, I mean, until you get like a red stripe, you're a buyer. Okay. So when you turn on your computer and you're drinking your coffee, you're starting your trading day, right? Let's say it's 7 o'clock, 7:30, whatever the case is, you immediately have the direction right. You know what I'm saying? Being able to forecast the direction, guys, is 98% of how you find success in trading. If you get the direction right, you've already beaten the other traders who don't know what the hell they're doing, right? So anyway, I'm going to try to timestamp here. Let's try to timestamp like, I don't know, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock in the morning. Be somewhere right here. Okay? Now, do you guys know what comes next? What do you do when you have the direction that you want to go in? And what do you do to really drill down on a microscopic level and look for very low risk entries with high reward? Do you guys know what comes next? Give you a couple of seconds. All right, hope you're able to manage that. Guys, you have to draw your pivot points either manually or with the trendline drawing tool, just like that. Okay, and keep going. You don't have to stop, right? You can just keep drawing. You can just keep drawing them over and over again until you get a fill, right? But let's just recap what we did here. Here was the green stripe, right? Telling us, hey boss, it's time to be a buyer. Here was where we turned on our computer. And as far as we know, we are still a buyer. Then you got to start drawing your pivot points, drawing your dots. And then all you do, guys, is just keep connecting trend line dots like that. You could have taken this one, all right? This fill to the long side there. You could have taken this one. If you missed the first one, this fill to the long side there. And look how tight the stops are. First stop goes in right over there. If you missed that one, the second stop goes in right over there. Basically peanuts on the stop. And look at how this trade played out. I mean, you were basically done by 10 o'clock, 10:15 in the morning, right? So I got to keep telling people the same thing over and over again. Nothing has changed all year, right? No matter what struggles you've had with your trading, nothing's changed with the market. Nothing's changed with trend trading. Nothing's changed with drawing these trend lines. This is the most simplistic yet powerful method that you're ever going to see, right? Nothing I've shown you here requires you to be a PhD in mathematics. You don't have to be a brain surgeon to figure any of this out. This is simply waiting for a trend and using trend lines to jump in on a trend. Okay, and I really and truly hope this makes sense to you. If anything's complicated or confusing about this, guys, just drop me a note or drop me a comment. And if any one of you guys who have been watching my videos pretty much all year and you've just been on the sidelines, I really want you to think about what is going to be your trading game plan for 2020, right? 2020 is going to be great. I think 2019 was awesome for day traders. It was basically a day trader's dream. But 2020, I think, is going to be 10 times better because we have a presidential election. We still have all these unresolved economic issues, and the volatility, I think, is just going to absolutely explode in 2020. And you guys have to be prepared. And this is how you prepare a professional trading game plan. All right, so guys, if you want to see a demo on any instrument of your choice, I'm going to be around this holiday week. My hours are going to be a little bit iffy, but I'm going to be around to answer your questions, your comments. Please don't hesitate to get in touch. And of course, for those of you guys that are interested in the trading robot order execution tools, you guys can also get in touch, and I'm happy to fire off a demo for you. All right. Guys, it's time to get serious about trading. You basically only have another 30 days to get a decent trading plan together. And I'm happy to be a resource to help you find success in trading and really demystify all the bullshit that you see like this, right? These bullshit charts or candlestick charts or indicator charts. Whatever other people look at is what you should not be looking at. Do you get what I'm saying? What the 95% of traders are doing out there is wrong. You know that. You may even be guilty of that, right? But the 5% are trading charts that look like this. Guys, to find success, I can promise you this, to find success, you need to simplify your trading. and you need to make it effective, and you need to deploy everything with one click of your mouse. And if you can display your charts to make them look exactly like this, guys, I'm telling you, this is going to be almost an immediate impact on your trading on day one. All right, guys, so if you want that demo, like I said, I'm around this week. Just get in touch. I'm happy to be a resource for you. Guys, thanks for watching this video. See you on the next trade.